Oh no, where is it, dude? Dude, where is it? Careful. All my drive words, my new one, my exquisite. Maybe if you start it up, the column will lubricate.
Yeah, but she'll spew oil all over the place.
Yeah, I was teasing you, buddy. I was just fucking teasing you. So I'll show you guys the difference here. Right, we got the same size Moonifold, and everything's copacetic, but for the Grumman, she faces down, and for a pickup truck, it comes out. See that? So if anybody has, it's got a big N on it. GM 1409564 RH6. That's what it says on there. But yeah, she's a little tin. But we should braze up them cracks and see if we can't stab that prick in there. Where's the other one? Right there. El Craco. But yeah, got a lawn ornament there. But are you just on the cigarette spot?
Yep.
Love cigarettes. Are you really just catching her on fire for me?
Yeah, a little bit.
Just burn down the whole rig and
gets it hot enough.
Yeah. If you catch the sides on fire, it might get the engine hot enough to remove
all
that.
that dead grass all over.
But you know,
Catch
I'm just going to give you a little tip there. When you're building engines, like when you're a manufacturer of the engine, you want to put the oil pressure sensor right in behind all this shit, so you just fucking won't. That's the key, isn't it, boys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the idea. Put it where you can't get at it.
Yeah.
That's the trick.
No good. I'll bring this inside and probably not do anything with it there for a whole bunch. Well, let's check out this car I got yesterday. It's probably I-8. Oh, we got some tapes. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Michael Jackson's Bad. Oh, we got a custom mixtape. Moonlight Maggie. Elvis Parsley. And more Elvis Parsley. It's an Elvis Parsley Christmas, boys. It's a friggin' Elvis Parsley Christmas. That's great. Doesn't even have a tape deck into it. What are they doing? Are you out for a rip, are you, bud? Oh, let's try it out on the road. What's up? What? Some mints. Super hits of the 50s. There's a trailer hitch back here, but there's no trailer hitch on the thingy, but we'll take it. Right on.
So there's 5 more here?
There's 4 there and 1 here, so might as well take this one and then, you know, empty that out, and then we can get it filled up again or whatever.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, you got a cock and balls on your truck there. Oh, a couple of them. Squirt and Dink.
Oh, that's probably my employees.
Nice.
Yeah, they love me so much.
Holy fuck. Just like swarms of fucking peter gnats everywhere.
Yeah, they're
Little tiny, like 57 different varieties of peter gnat just fucking swarming me everywhere. That's fucking great.
The home point has been updated.
Pablo, you crazy for this one.
I'ma keep on stacking big wads. Gang rolling with me, it's a big squad. Gang rolling for me, smoking big logs. We ain't smoking Reggie, only big quads. Rock designer jeans, making big calls. Tryna fold me, that's a big loss. You don't know me, I'm a big boss. Everywhere I'm going, I just see them big rocks. I got diamonds on my diamonds, can't tell just what the time is. I'm tryna be the finest, so I'ma keep on grinding. This rapping shit is timeless. I got it, I'ma drive it. I like it, I'ma buy it. Got all this money flying. I got the racks in the safe. I took a bitch on a date. Putting the food on a plate. Put the racks back in the safe. Bitches be saying I'm great. They just be keeping it straight. Fuck her, I don't gotta wait. Yeah. Spend it all on my bros. Gucci from head to our toes. You know my neck is on froze. Yeah, I got money, it grows. Ballin' like I'm the road. Playing like I'm a pro. I got a quarter a blow. And I got it for the low. Capping, nobody can stop it. Picking like I'm out of pocket. Fixing, they trying to cop it. Trapping like I got no option. I got this 32 playing with sticks. If I want touch, she be giving me 6. Licking her now when she sucking my dick. Yeah. Hitting a lick even if you don't wanna. Yeah. Trap out the spot and I'm shooting the llama. Yeah. If you want smoke, I might shoot at your mama. Running the check and I got me some product. Yeah. I'ma keep on stacking big wads. Gang rolling with me, it's a big squad. Gang rolling for me, smoking big logs. We ain't smoking Reggie, only big quads. Rock designer jeans, making big calls. Tryna fold me, that's a big loss. You don't know me, I'm a big boss. Everywhere I'm going, I just see them big rocks. Yeah, see them big rocks. Everywhere I'm going, I just see them big rocks. Yeah, see them big rocks. Everywhere I'm going, I just see them big rocks.
pretty good at maneuvering, has been.
Easy to crash. Ooh! Oh! Holy shit! Ooh! Oh! Holy shit! That's pretty awesome that it's able to totally hit stuff and not bust. Wow. Oh, broken.
Oh. But she still flies.
Broken.
Oh, you broke it?
A couple of the propellers. Oh, this one's too.
I'm surprised I didn't just fucking throw it off immediately.
Right?
Yeah,
Look
it
at
just
that.
kept going. That's,
Just about busted
didn't
that
seem
one
to
right
affect us
off.
flying at all.
Oh.
I gotta go to London to pick up a car anyway, so drop this off, pick that one up, bring it back. How you doing? Right on, boys. Thank you. The driveway deck's just leaving their shit here. Alright. Oh yeah, his looks too. Probably just choked. Oh, there's two pugs.
I was gonna die.
Two pugs, the big one.
Oh, he went to the wireless one, eh?
Have to. I gotta go. Like Jim works at the dart store or whatever, right? Like the fucking robot cock fucking factory. So Get a few more of these ones, different kinds.
I never figured I'd see you. You're always bragging on everybody on those.
Yeah, robot cocksuckler, big time. But
Hey, buddy.
anyway, straight on, man.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, smoke fucking cigarettes.
Will do.
If you hear any more, let me know. And what's happening? Did you try this yet?
Legally.
Do it. Like at first, like I don't know. It's
Let me wipe it off of my butt.
yeah, on your hole, like right on the inside of your hole.
That's good as fuck.
Really?
It tastes like a mango. It tastes like a juicy mango.
Is there any more of those kinds? Like that kind, but different kind?
We just got more in too.
Oh, this kind? What kinds?
I mean, like it's a really strong flavor.
Like
That's
the first
issue.
hoot I fucking had, I was just like, what the fuck? But I've had
Good?
no, like not good.
Oh,
Like it startled me.
you're like, oh, ooh.
Yeah, oh, do I like this? No, you know?
Oh, I don't.
Don't you dare. Oh, don't you dare. You had to let that out slow because there's poop right behind it.
It had to wiggle around.
Yeah, it had like filtered with the log.
Yeah, it was just filtered with a log. Don't worry. It's a little tighter. I feel like these are tighter airflow. Those are like.
Well, then when I put it in my pocket, shit gets in the hole, and then you're gonna blow it, and get the shit out of there, and then, buddy. Yeah.
There's something's like.
Yeah. Oh, you got the peach ice. Nice. Let's try that. Fuck face. Oh, it's in a
only a
50. Of course. Do you have a new song out? Coming out?
It's
Soon?
not my song. It's a feature. But yeah. You want to hunt it?
Yeah.
Showing the high conversion to two. Beast mode, no cheat code. I turn an OC to a kilo.
Yeah, that's what I heard on your Instagram or something. Like turn an ounce to a kilo. Jim, ounce of what?
But that's what this part says. Hold on, where is it?
I'm kicking the shit like a mule. Showing the high conversion to two. Beast
What does it say?
mode, no cheat
Show my dead
code.
how I conversion to two.
Like when you're writing songs, how do you fucking avoid from like saying every line about dicks?
and balls.
Yeah.
It's fucking hard.
'Cause, like, every-
that's just ingrained. In my
Yeah, it's like you were born that way and shit. Oh, you're Pergola, Jim.
right.
You're Pergola. It's a Pergola. It's Jim's Pergola update.
Actually, it's fucking awesome as fuck. Though.
Yeah.
Like
Like how is this not? Oh, look at the
like,
poop in there and
it
stuff.
drips though. Like one spot right here drips.
Yeah, well, you probably have to get up there and poop
And put a
cocking
fucking-
all the way along.
But it's like
Oh, is it?
really that wide.
Need a little piece of the flashing or something?
And then yeah, cock it to the house. That's what I'll do.
Oh yeah.